At the beginning of a new year, I've come across a book of snippets written 15 years ago, and yet the 10 Commandments inside this book of snippets seems very appropriate for the times we're living in. Thou shalt not worry, for worry is the most unproductive of all human activities. Thou shalt not be fearful, for most of the things we fear never come to pass. Not quite sure how that applies to a global pandemic. Thou shalt not cross bridges before you come to them, for no one has yet succeeded in accomplishing this. Thou shalt face each problem as it comes, for you could only handle them one at a time anyway. Thou shalt not take problems to bed with you. They make very poor bedfellows. Thou shalt not borrow other people's problems. Just pray about them. Thou shalt not try and relive yesterday for good or ill. It is gone forever. Give the past to God and concentrate on the present. Thou shalt be a good listener, for only when you listen do you hear ideas different from your own. Thou shalt not be bogged down by frustration, for 90% of frustration is rooted in self-pity and will interfere with positive action. Thou shalt count thy blessings, never overlooking small ones, for many small blessings make one big blessing. May we all have learnt to count our blessings, big and small, and may we continue to do so. A phrase we've heard over and over has been to follow the science. So my first fun thought for 2021 is some things written in 11-year-old science exams, so I'm told. When you breathe, you inspire. When you do not breathe, you expire. H2O is hot water and CO2 is cold water. To collect fumes of sulphur, hold a deacon over a flame in a test tube. Ouch. When you smell an odourless gas, it is probably carbon monoxide. Nitrogen is not found in Ireland because it is not found in a free state. Water is composed of two gins, oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen is pure gin, hydrogen is gin and water. 3 kinds of blood vessels are arteries, veins and caterpillars. Blood flows down one leg and up the other. Respiration is composed of 2 acts, first inspiration and then expectoration. The moon is a planet just like the Earth, only it is even deader. Dew is formed on leaves when the sun shines down on them and makes them perspire. A supersaturated solution is one that holds more than it can hold. Mushrooms always grow in damp places, and so they look like umbrellas. The body consists of 3 parts: the brainium, the borax, and the abominable cavity. The brainium contains the brain, the borax contains the heart and lungs, and the abominable cavity contains the bowels, of which there are 5, A, E, I, O, and U. The pistil of a flower is its only protection against insects. The alimentary canal is located in the northern part of Indiana. The skeleton is what is left after the insides have been taken out and the outsides have been taken off. The purpose of the skeleton is something to hitch meat to. A permanent set of teeth consists of 8 canines, 8 cuspids, 2 molars, and 8 cuspidors. The tides are a fight between the earth and moon. All water tends towards the moon because there is no water in the moon and nature abhors a vacuum. All water tends towards the moon. I forgot where the sun joins in this fight. A fossil is an extinct animal. The older it is, the more extinct it is. Let's hope the science we're all following is somewhat more specific and controlled than those answers. And let's hope the science leads us to freedom eventually in 2021. Bye.